you will be having access of 5 years where you can choose any course and study it for free.
Wait, what?
Yes, you heard it right. This May we are just having 2 classes.
So you have only 2 classes,
Yes,
and this is 1 year course.
yeah. We will be just going 12 weeks. Hi, I am Vishal Nalaturi. I am from Chirara, Andhra Pradesh, India. I am currently pursuing my master's degree at Aivancity in data engineering and cloud computing. So, coming to my background, I have did my intermediate in MPSC, and after that, I completed my graduation in ACE at Geetham University.
Okay. So why are you choosing this course and this college?
The reason behind choosing this course specifically, which is data engineering and cloud computing, is its future scope and the career growth and opportunities it is having in the coming 5 years. So that's the reason I chose data engineering as my course. And coming to the college, why I chose Aivancity as my college is because of its ranking. Currently, which I am studying, it is having the rank 7 in entire France for data engineering and cloud computing.
Okay.
Yeah.
How did you find this college and how did you apply for this?
So I found this college in European Education Fair, which is held in Kukatpalli, Hyderabad.
Okay.
So I have attended this education fair. So in that fair, there are a number of other countries, universities too, where you can just go to the desk and talk to the college representatives about their course structures and what the courses they are offering. So just like that, I went and I found Aivancity there. So I talked to the people and came to know the registration process and all. And the registration process is quite simple. So you will be asked to submit your resume and also the 1.5 minute of your video recording about your resume and about your background and all introduction. So once it got passed, then you will be having a mock interview if you want. And after that, there is a direct interview where the Aivancity HOD, he will be interviewing you about all the things, your background again. So once you pass through the course, pass through the interview, you will be getting admission.
Okay.
It's that simple.
And after getting the admission?
Yeah, after getting the admission, you will be provided a portal, student portal, the Blackboard.
Okay.
So that in that portal you will be seeing all the courses and the schedule and the grades and all. So that portal will remain empty until you pay the fee.
Okay.
Once you pay the fee, the portal will be activated.
Okay.
So that's the thing.
Okay, we should pay the entire fees or only the deposit part?
Yeah, I think there is a availability. You can pay half of fees, 50%. But it is recommended to pay the entire fees all at once so that you won't be having any problem with visas and also with the management.
So what are the programs your college is having?
So the programs our college is having are related to data and AI. So we are having this Grand Ecole program. So we are having data science, AI, and we have also introduced a new program which is generative AI. And we are having data engineering, cloud computing, data management. So there is another thing. These courses are designed by top companies. So we'll be having that technical focus in each and every course. So there is also another benefit for the student in Aivancity, that is once you complete the course in this college, you will be having access of 5 years where you can choose any course and study it for free.
Wait, what?
Yes, you heard it right. We are having this diploma update guarantee where you can complete your present course, which is, for example, I am data engineering student. So after the graduation, it will be valid for 5 years. So in this 5 years, I can choose another course and do it for free.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is it online or offline, or it is both?
It is both. You can be the part of the course.
So right now you're studying data science.
Yeah.
And after graduation,
Yes.
after 1 or 2 years,
Yes.
you can come back to the college and you can study AI.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's free, totally
That's
free.
totally free.
Wow.
Yeah.
What is, I mean, I heard that you have only 1 week college in a month or something like that. So, how many days you are having college? How much fees you are paying?
So coming to my fee, it is 12,500 euros.
Okay.
So it's per 1 year fees.
Okay.
And coming to my schedule,
Wait, you have taken 1 year course or 2 years course?
I took 2 years course.
So you took 2 years course and your 1 year fees is 12,500 euros.
Yes.
And for the second year, it is also the same.
Yeah, it is the same. It won't change. But there is a thing which is if you are finding alternance,
Okay.
which is work study program. So as our course is a work study program, it is flexible for a student to work and as well as to attend the classes.
Okay.
So if a student is getting this alternance, the company will be paying the entire year fee.
Okay. So if you get that thing, for 1 year you will pay 12,500 euros and you will get your course done.
Yes.
And then your second year you will work and you will study and you will done with that.
Yes.
And in third or fourth year you can come here again and you can study for another course if you are interested.
Yes, of course.
And that's for free.
Yes.
So it's like around 12 lakhs. You will study 2 courses.
Yes.
And you will work for 1 year.
Yes. Yeah.
And in the alternates, they will pay the college fees, they will pay you salary, and they will take care of all the documentation.
Yes, of course. The salary will be there, and as well as with the salary, they also will be paying the college fee.
I heard that you are having only 1 week classes in a month.
Yeah. So when it comes to data engineering and cloud computing, it is quite different from the other courses. We will be having just 1 week or sometimes just 2 days in the entire month.
Okay.
So we just need to go to classes that week itself. That's the only thing, and the rest of the days we will be having leisure. But the leisure we will be provided with the projects, and also we will be using that opportunity of the leisure to prepare for interviews and apply for internships, apprenticeships. So that's the benefit of a data engineering program.
I think you are so lucky.
Yes.
Easy, same like me, but you have chosen data science.
Yes.
You came here.
Yeah.
In the last 6 months, you are only having 1 week classes, and sometimes less than 1 week.
Yeah. This May we are just having 2 classes.
So you have only 2 classes.
Yes.
And this is 1 year course.
Yeah. We will be just going 12 weeks. That's it.
I mean, so you have a lot of free time.
Yeah.
And you can look for part-time job. You can do part-time jobs.
Yeah. You can do.
Are you doing any part-time jobs?
I have done a part-time, which is events. So there we will be provided with all the equipments and all. So in that we will be the load will come. So we will be just moving the load from the truck and arranging it in different places.
Okay.
So
like event management.
Yeah, event management. So they will be paying you €9 per hour.
Okay.
So
I mean, it is after the tax cut and everything, right?
yes, you'll be paid €9 per hour, and if you are working good, they'll be increasing it to €10.
Okay.
So if a day you work 10 hours, you will be getting €100.
So if you don't mind, how much you earn by doing this part-time job in a month?
Yes,
The maximum you earn.
Yeah, so it mainly depends on the event. So if the event is of 3 days, you will be only having work for 3 days.
Okay.
So in this work, you will be only allotted to few hours, the requirement, as per the requirement. So as of myself, I have done around 22 hours of work.
In 3 days?
Yeah, in 3 days. 3 days. So they gave me 200 euros.
Yes, 200 euros.
As a round figure.
So in 3 days, you earned around 200 euros.
200 euros, yeah.
And what are your class timings? You have very few classes, so what will be the timings?
So my class timings, it depends. Like if it starts around 8, it will be ending at 4.
Okay.
And we will be having straight 2 hours of class, and in between we will be having break.
Okay.
And if it starts at 10, it will be ending at 5 and sometimes 6. So it depends on the professor's availability.
Okay.
Yeah.
So at max you have 8 hours of continuous classes, right?
Yes.
6 hours or 8 hours? 6 hours.
Yeah, 6 to 8 hours.
No, six,
Not the
6
10
hours.
hours. So give me some details about your class. Are they theoretical or practical?
So the entire program, data engineering and cloud computing here in Aivancity, not only this but also the other courses, they are mostly technical courses. So we'll be having around 70 to 80% technically, and a little bit you will be having theory. So even in the exams, you will be given a project to make it, to complete the project and submit it. So everything is practical.
So
And,
even in the exam, so you are having exam, you have to write a program,
yes.
I mean a project and
Yes.
complete it, and that's your exam.
Yeah. As for example, we are having this course called data visualization, where we'll be using Power BI as a tool. So in that, the exam, they will be providing the template of the dashboard. So they will be giving you the data set, and they will be asking to generate the exact template with the Power BI. So you need to complete the project and submit that.